Hey there, what is going on? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you and tell you the overview of a brand new phone which was recently released by the Xiaomi company named POCO F1, which has created a new rumor and a new trend in this market. So before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share the videos which are uploaded. Please subscribe to the channel and support us. Let's get started. Welcome guys. So we are talking about the new phone that is POCO F1. So it was released on August 22nd, 2018. This segment of Xiaomi company phone was the premium segment of this company, and it's packed with numerous high-end features to boost its experience. So now let's get to know about its features. So it's power driven by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. That is a brand new processor which is running in the market. Next, the brand new smartphone in the POCO series, the Xiaomi POCO F1, is estimated to fall under the price bracket of approximately 300 to 400, that is 30,000 to 40,000 INR. The phone is expected to give a high performance videos and such other things. So now let's get to know about its features. Okay, here is the small summary of this phone. So its performance is the octa-core processor, display 6.18 inch display, that is 15.7 centimeters. Storage is about 64 GB. Camera is 12 MP. I think it's a bit small for this phone. The camera is 12 MP means okay, that's not a matter. Next, the battery is 4000 mAh battery, that's pretty good. RAM 6 GB, okay, that's really somewhat nice. Okay, next, special features are fingerprint sensor position is in the back side. That's pretty common in all the new phones, except the new phones which are released, so that they have these fingerprint sensors on the front part, that is on the screen, fingerprint sensors. Next, other sensors are like light sensors, proximity sensors, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, all these are common. Next, fingerprint sensors are there, okay. Next, the next side is the charging time. It has a very good quick charging capacity, so that it gives a good performance for the users. Operating system, that is Android version 8.1 or the Android Oreo, which is commonly called. This is the latest Oreo version, Android version, which is released by the Google company. Next, the SIM slot, dual SIM, okay, GSM plus GSM, that is 2 GSM SIMs. Next, the model name is F1, as I just told you. The launch date, as I already told you, it's 22nd August. It's expected, okay. That's okay. Brand is POCO phone. SIM size, nano SIM, 2 nano SIM hybrid SIMs. Network 4G available, 3G available, or 2G available. Fingerprint sensors, I just told it's there. Next, loudspeaker. Yeah, the speaker plays a main part for some users because they're fans of music. Okay, there's a good loudspeaker. Next, FM radio, it's good, pretty good. Audio jack, that's common, 3.5mm audio jack. Next, performance, chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. Graphics, Adreno 630. Processor, octa-core, that's pretty good. Octa-core 2.8 GHz quad-core Cairo 385 plus. 1.8 GHz processor, quad-core Cairo 385. Next, the architecture is 64-bit. No need to worry about RAM 6 GB. Yeah, let me talk about the phone physical appearance. The thickness is about 8.8 mm, width is about 75.2 mm. Weight, it's basically 182 grams. Color, graphite, black, steel blue, rose or red. There are options, 3 options. Okay, let me talk about the display. Display type, IPS LED, LCD, sorry. Aspect ratio 18 0.7:9. That's a pretty good ratio. Screen to body ratio 82.2%. Pixel density 103 ppi. That's pixels. Next, screen protection Corning Gorilla Glass. Oh, that's a really good glass. Next, screen size 6.18 inches. That's 15.7 centimeters. Screen resolution is a 1080 into 2246 pixels. Touch screen, it's a multi-touch screen. Next, internal storage is 64 GB. There's an expandable memory. There's a USB OTG support. Next, exposure comparison, ISO control, digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Next, image resolution up to 4000 into 3000 pixels. Sensor XMOR RS CMOS sensor. Autofocus, yes, dual pixel is obvious. It's autofocus. Shooting mode, continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, that is HDR, and burst mode. Resolution 20MP front camera. Yeah, this is what I was just wondering about. How can this brand new smartphone be out 12MP camera? So I just got clear with this. It's 20MP front camera. Next, physical aperture is 52 f2.0. LG flashlight, video recording is 3840 2160 1920 to 1080, then 1280 into 720p, all such things. Next, battery, it's not replaceable battery. Capacity is about 4000 mAh. Let me go down. It's a multi-phone, USB type. SIM size, nano hybrid cells, SIM to 4G brand, CD, LTE, 2300, band 40, all these such things are there. Okay, let me go back and let me show you this phone's photo. Okay, we have the phone here. Yeah, over here, the marker is going on here. This is just huge speed I'm just talking about. Okay. This is the thing what we just talked about, the POCO F1 phone from the Xiaomi company, that is MI. So if you like this video, please comment, share, and do subscribe our channel and support us for brand new phones to be unboxed or to be overviewed in this industry. So you're free to comment on this video. Thank you for